It's day 19 of our Vlogmas Python series, and it's so exciting so far. We're glad you're back here again. And in today's episode, we'll be looking at how to sort multiple lists using a zip function. And so what we mean by this is to say we have multiple data sets, and then I want it to be sorted with one as the index. Okay, so based on the positioning of one, the sorting on the one, the others would sort themselves accordingly. So let's say we have A being a set of names. So let's say J, we have George, we have Felicia, and then so we have is it Joyce? Yeah. And then B being their ages. So that's 13, 24, 65, and then say 8. And then C being where they live. So J is in Abidjan. And then George lives in New York. Felicia is in Suriname. And then Joyce is in, let's say, Lisbon. All right. So we have all these. Now, if I sort, using the sorted function, if I sort out A, it would be in alphabetical order, okay? But then if I sort out B, it would also be in numerical order. But then you see that this sorting doesn't tally with what we have on the first end, because Felicia, from the data we are having, is supposed to be 65. All right, so this sorting doesn't tally. And then if we sort C, the allocations might not also tally. All right, so even though there's in alphabetical order too, but then they don't tally. So what we want to do is to merge all three together and then sort them based on the index of 1. So what we are going to do is to employ a zip to zip the data sets A, B, and C. And then we are sorting all of them based on our A. All right. So with this, if we run our output, we should have everything sorted based on the A. So Felicia, in alphabetical order, Felicia comes first, her age, and then her location. George, the age, the location. J, the age, the location, and then Joyce, the age, the location. And we see that this tallies, and this is definitely in the order that we sorted in increasing order. If we want it to be decreasing, then it means we would have to also use our reverse function in here, or the reverse argument, and pass it to true, or we set it to 1. That means it will be in the reverse order. And that's all with today's section. This will come in very handy when you are working with multiple data sets and you want to structure them out. We'll look hopefully in tomorrow's episode how to create a dictionary from multiple lists. So I believe this has been a good session. If you have any questions, don't forget to put them in the comment box, and then the team would address it. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and then turn on post notifications so you receive any new updates we put up there. And then to our old subscribers, we say thank you, and then thanks for sticking with us. Do have an amazing day, and then continue practicing and excel in your programming. All right, bye-bye.